Hey everybody, this is AP Micro. This is 2008 FRQ Form A, question number 3. Let's get going. It says social efficiency is affected by government policy and the structure of government. The structure of markets. Government policy and the structure of markets affect social efficiency. How could I ever mess that up? 3A. In 3A, it says for a competitive market for which there is a binding, i.e. effective price ceiling, draw a correctly labeled graph and label the price ceiling PC and the quantity sold as QA and the social efficiency output as QB. Now apparently there's an A on my board, and if you did not know, A is for apple. But let's keep going with this problem. Let's go take a look at this. This is 3A, where we want to show government policy affecting social efficiency, right? So here is my market. This is a competitive market. Looks like some of it got erased while I had my back turned to it. So I'm going to put my P back in there. Okay, so this is my competitive market. We know for a competitive market, our equilibrium point is going to be our price market, and this is going to be our quantity market. Now, we're going to put an effective price ceiling. It's going to be an effective, it's going to be a binding price ceiling. Remember, a price ceiling is a price max. It's not going to let us get to the price market. So let me go ahead and put my price ceiling. I'm putting it below the price market. That means it's going to bind the market, keep the market from getting the market price. Now, at that point, all right, we're going to go and draw it straight across just like that. Uh-oh, this might not be good. Do you want mommy? Oh, it won't be cute if you're crying. Are you going to be crying for mommy? Are you okay without mommy? She's right there. Do you want mommy right now? Do you want mommy? Do you want mommy? Oh, okay. Let's get mommy. That could have been really cute.
You should see her.
It might still be good. We won't delete it. Maybe.